Hey there, have you seen these tools? They're called Instrument-Assisted Soft Tissue Mobilization, and they look like knives. And does that scare the living hell out of you because they look dangerous? And you've seen videos where everyone comes out and their body is completely red and they look like they're bleeding from all over the place. Well, I want to dispel that myth for you. My name is Huang with Hands-On Therapy Services, and here we use something that's called Instrument-Assisted Soft Tissue Mobilization, and this is just one of the tools. And they look like knives. Sometimes when our clients come to us for the service, they always tell me how scary looking they look, and they look like knives. I'm about to cut them, but they're not sharp. I'm gonna give you a little close up, but they have these edges, which allow us to just go a little bit deeper, lets us get a little bit, we're on top of the skin, but lets us go underneath it as well and really get inside. You have the skin, and then you have the fascia, and then you have the muscles, and they're just layers upon layers. And sometimes, because we use our bodies all the time, we get some wear and tear over time, especially after the age of 40. Our bodies take a little bit of a toll. I know, I'm over 40, and so our bodies just need a little bit of help to make sure that we stay active and healthy and avoid injuries. And one of the tools we use in our wellness program are these things. So it's from Hawk Grips. They're really nice. They have a nice weight to it, so we actually don't have to put a lot of pressure. We have medium-sized tools, we have small-sized tools, and believe it or not, these little tools, you can feel those a little bit more. And then this one looks even scarier because they look like handlebars, and they have this edge to it too. But this is Instrument-Assisted Soft Tissue Mobilization, and they're really not as scary as they look. But what happens is we've been seeing tons of videos of huge athletes getting worked on, and they're practically screaming, and they're bloody and stuff like that. But the tools are just as strong as who is using them, right? So it's all in how we use them and what you're able to tolerate and what you're not able to tolerate. Some parts of our body is a little bit more sensitive than others. So for example, on the inside of our elbows, a little bit more sensitive than the outside of our elbows. We're finding out these tools, I love them because they really find out where you're a little achy, where you're a little tight, where you might be a little stuck. And it's a great way to help you to stay loose and limber. After using it, sometimes your body will, your skin, everything just feels much lighter. But if you are someone who's just a little tight, a little achy, you don't have major problems, but man, you're not able to hit your targets like you want to. You can't work out in your CrossFit gym and be able to lift heavier than, as you like, or maybe you're a yogi like I am, and you can't hit your shoulder stands or your headstands or your twists as well as you would like to. These tools, along with our wellness program, can help loosen you up and make sure you can stay active. So if you're someone who's really interested in instrument-assisted soft tissue mobilization, but more than just these tools, just coming in, talking with our specialists, and seeing how we can help you to just elevate your game and get rid of any tightness so you can do more, you can stay active, and you can avoid injuries, then give me a call here. My name is Huang with Hands-On Therapy Services. You can talk to any of my team members here. They're gonna help you make sure which program would be right for you.